So I've upgraded to this 1500 watt sine wave inverter from Alway. So it's going to take the 12 volt energy from the vehicle, turn it into 120 volts in a pure sine wave. So instead of just clunky on off, this is a nice smooth sine wave, clean energy. Now there's a little display here, so if you're going to mount this thing somewhere in a vehicle where you're going to be able to see it, or if this is a solar setup and you're going to be able to see it, then you got this bright display here, and that's just fine. But you'll notice there's this port here, and that is to connect to this, which is a remote. And here's the port on the other side. Comes with a long cable, and now you can put this away. You could put this under a seat or in a cabinet, and now you have this nice looking switch with your on-off switch, and then a display to give you a current input about the system for your inverter. I think it's a great upgrade and accessory. Hope this helps.